Hey, I'm Steve and I'm installing the Walker Edison round copper wall mirrors. On this particular day, my wife unboxed her new Walker Edison mirror set, and that meant I had some honeydews to do. It was my job to hang these on the wall for her. Here's what these mirrors look like right out of the box. These mirrors look great and they are high quality. On our den wall, we have this large star-shaped mirror as the centerpiece. My wife decided she wanted to use the medium and the small size mirror to accent around the large star mirror. Well, my wife thinks they look great, and that's all that really matters, and I also think they look awesome. You will find that these mirrors are very simple to hang. We plan to use the larger mirrors somewhere else in our house. Thanks for watching. If you are looking at these mirrors, I hope you found this video helpful.